tad bit chilly.
Just this much.
Look at my shot. It's lovely.
I don't know, what are you doing?
Recording your steps.
Tis chilly.
Very chill.
Can't feel my ears.
Luckily I can.
She didn't shock. Why not?
Because I told you.
I told her it was warm.
Yeah. It was so warm. He was gonna dip his toes in the water. I was waiting for that clip to come up.
It's true. Look, I had the towel right over here. My towel ready to dip my toes. My toes, not dipped. So it's been some time. And life, it's been kind of a blur lately. It's very similar to that reenactment I showed in that clip. And lately, when I look back at this, I've noticed I've been having an issue. So, I don't know where I left off, but it is dawning on me that we have been here for a little over a month, and even though work has taken up my existence, I'm starting to forget what happened. Like, time's going by fast. I've been here over a month, maybe by next week or 2 weeks now, 2 months. Lots happened, and I'm having a hard time remembering a week. So for me, if you look back at this a year or two from now, I mean, here's a rough recap. We went to a party. It was Stephanie's grandfather's birthday party, and it was beautiful. This will be one of the few moments I share with Stephanie's family, my new extended family, and it was very memorable. I think we're gonna cherish this moment, and I love the clips I captured. Here's to more to come, and I don't know. That's one.
Hoje que o senhor não fazia.
That's my man.
Eu quero agora um copo.
Hã?
Um copo.
Ai, em casa.
Posso? Quem quer tomar banho? Quem não tomou banho ainda hoje? Quem não tomou banho ainda hoje?
Olha, não acha bonito.
Eu acho bonito.
Eu achei bonitinho. Eu tomei banho. Ui.
Não vai. Boa. Como é que é aquela música?
Little change of scenery, but today is laundry day. As this mess can kind of dictate. I am waiting for laundry, and can you believe that Stephanie
That's not a mess.
That's not what I was gonna say. Can you believe that after all these years, Stephanie does not know how to do laundry? So it's fallen upon me to take care of all of our laundry duties on my days off, not my days off. Yep, me. Lucky me.
So, where was I getting with this? Yes. We also went to a graduation.
É som certo, Eduardo Takashi.
Gonçalo Girão, João Batista.
It isn't all bad. Yes, my life has been dictated by work lately, but there's beautiful moments, such as going to the beach right after work or right before work. I can say, yes, my life has been filled with a hectic schedule, but it's not all too bad. What do you think, babe?
On the car ride here, I was thinking about that, how like your work schedule has sucked and how it would be like if we were to come here, or even if we do split our time. Is this a good place to work? It's so much time. But then I was kind of like, I feel like I focused on that for too long. Like it's been, 2 months already? And I like looked at it that way. But then I was kind of like, well, we still do more here than we do at home. So why am I upset if we would never do this if we were home? I don't know. I was just looking at it a different way and I was like, it's really not that bad.
It's bad, but I'm learning to try to enjoy the little things and little moments. For example, we're at the beach. It's a nice sunny day. We would never do this. And we have spectacular views. Exhibits A. Exhibits saw.
Pick them, the wall, and I would hold them in the sun. Now it's not gonna happen because it's way too cold, but in the summer you do this and they start slowly coming out of their shell.
Estás feliz? Baby, you hate Portugal.
I hate it. Ah.
Oh, I've been recording the whole time. Trying to figure this out.
Listen. Tell the people how bad it would be to finish a day and come here.
Awful. Don't do it. Why would you do this to yourself? What? Oh, Hey, ten cuidado. Estás
That's my wife. Where are you going? I think that's what I'm going to show. Little moments adding up to the whole experience of being here. Which, although it's clouded with work, maybe it isn't so bad. Well, hello, my friends. We are here. We made it to our first beach day. Stuff over here is getting her legs tanned because, you know, that's the showstopper. The pernas. Anything to say, my dear?
Heavenly.
It is the first nice day here.
And first beach day.
First beach day, which is the first nice day. It's actually warm weather, and we took advantage. So we're here in beautiful São Pedro de Moa. And Steph's getting her legs tanned, and we just got here. Set the camera, and we'll show you.
And we brought croissants.
We're here. We're going to enjoy it. We're definitely not getting in the water because we tried this yesterday and it's cold. No amount of hot weather is going to make that water warmer.
No.
We came a little later than expected. I overslept, and Steph had to make sure she looked her best.
No. I had to still shave.
Don't say
Put
that.
contacts on.
A woman doesn't shave.
Make
She's naturally
pack
hairless.
lunch.
She had to pack
I
lunch.
literally did everything in like 30 minutes.
An hour.
Oh, that's a record.
We're here. We're going to enjoy this as much as we can today. Stay tuned. We'll show you some stuff, but it looks similar to what it did yesterday, just now it's warmer. Now tell me, was this a bad purchase?
Perhaps not.
So you thought it was a bad purchase until now?
Undecided.
Undecided?